In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. To start, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace in your browser. From your main workspace, navigate to the list that contains the tasks you want to work with. In this example, we're in a list view called All Tasks inside a workspace, but you can follow along with any list in your own setup. The important thing is that you're looking at a list view where your tasks are visible. Once you're on that list page, look towards the top right area of the screen for the More menu. Depending on your screen size, this might appear as 3 dots or as a button labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is where ClickUp keeps a lot of the extra options and integrations that aren't immediately visible in the main toolbar. After opening the More menu, you'll see a list of options. From here, you want to look for the option that allows you to manage or browse integrations and connected apps. In the interface shown, this is highlighted so it stands out. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Just look for wording related to apps, integrations, or connections. Click on that highlighted option to open the Integrations panel. Inside this panel, there's usually a search bar or filter at the top. Click into that search field and start typing the word Notion. Typing directly into the search box is the quickest way to narrow down the list, especially if you have access to a lot of different integrations. As you type, ClickUp will filter the available apps and show you Notion as one of the results. When you see Notion appear in the list, click on it. This will open the Notion integration page within ClickUp, where you can start the connection process. Here you'll usually find a brief description of what the integration does, as well as a button to begin connecting your accounts. Next, click on the Connect button. At this point, ClickUp will guide you through the authorization steps. A new window or tab may open, asking you to sign into your Notion account if you're not already logged in. Follow the prompts, review the permissions requested, and confirm that you want to allow ClickUp to access your Notion workspace. Make sure you're using the correct Notion workspace, especially if you have more than one. Once you've filled in the required details and accepted the permissions, ClickUp will finalize the connection, and you can click Done. Your ClickUp and Notion accounts are now integrated and ready to use.